Beginning with an 11 Alive weather impact alert. Good evening and thanks so much for being with us. I'm Jennifer Bellamy.
And I'm Faith Jesse, and we are gearing up for the coldest February day in 9 years. This morning, snow fell in parts of North Georgia, closing several school districts for the day.
We have team coverage for the bitter temperatures expected for tomorrow. Molly Oak is showing us how counties are working to keep people warm. But first, we want to get you to our chief meteorologist, Chris Holcomb, with what folks need to know here.
And this is the other thing that we're dealing with this week. We didn't want people to get distracted by that snow in North Georgia and ignore the fact that we have really cold air, impactful cold air coming in tonight. And it's going to last through early on Friday. And that's why we do have a weather impact alert that is in effect. Now, the cold air is going to be blowing in here with some strong winds overnight tonight and through the day tomorrow. And those temperatures falling into the mid-20s in the morning. And with the wind whipping up, it's going to feel like it's in the teens and even some single digits in some spots. So you definitely have to bundle up overnight tonight, early tomorrow, through the whole day tomorrow, and definitely into Friday morning too. Now, we were watching that system that went through earlier today that had the snow up in parts of North Georgia. All that moisture is out of here. We had just that cold rain as expected here today. You can see what we're watching with the mainly cloudy skies here. The moisture is all gone, but that snow moved up into North Carolina, where they are having some travel issues right now in central North Carolina and into eastern North Carolina. No additional moisture is coming in. Now, the mountains of North Georgia here tonight might see some upslow flow that might cause just a few flurries there, but nothing major going on. We're holding on to the winter weather advisory, not for northwest Georgia, but just for northeast Georgia, for that low risk of maybe a couple of little snow flurries still coming down. But the main thing is going to be watching as temperatures fall tonight. Any moisture that's left behind could cause some slick spots. All of us, though, need to be aware of the really cold air moving in. We have a cold weather advisory in effect for all of North Georgia, metro Atlanta, down into central Georgia, and even into parts of South Georgia, too, as these temperatures will be falling. So tonight, we're in the 40s now. Moving to 38 at 10, will most likely be below freezing from 2 o'clock on until around or after lunchtime tomorrow. Highs tomorrow only up to about 38 degrees. Stay with us. We will eventually warm. It may take a little while, but we'll let you know if we'll see any additional moisture that can move in with this cold air coming up.
All right, Chris, and as temperatures continue to drop across metro Atlanta, counties are stepping up to protect those who are most vulnerable to the cold weather. 11 Alive's Molly Oak is live in Cobb County tonight. So Molly, Cobb is one of the counties in our area that has announced its warming shelters that are opening up ahead of this cold weather, but they're not the only ones doing that, right?
Yeah, one of is key. Jennifer, City of Atlanta telling us a couple hours ago that it's opening up its warming centers. Gwinnett County also opening up warming stations. But tonight we're taking you inside Cobb County's warming shelter, as it says it's expecting a lot of people over the next couple of days. It's an answer to the question, where will I sleep tonight?
It's a life and death situation for a lot of people, especially this winter. When it's 35 degrees or below, we open up the winter warming shelter.
Must Ministries, which serves as an emergency walk-up shelter in Cobb County, says it's noticed an increased need, reporting it's already served more than 530 clients since November and is expected to bypass last year's total tonight. But the president and CEO of Must Ministries says people are getting more than just a bed.
You're not just providing a roof over someone's head, but you're providing the meals. And like tomorrow, our high is not even going to break 35 degrees. And so that means those people are going to be there with us all day. On our highest day during the snow event, we had 516 meals that were served. That's a big day for a major restaurant, let alone a homeless shelter.
Because when people walk inside, they'll also be asked questions.
You will have a case manager that will begin to work with you to help ascertain what all you need. Are you needing to come in that day? Are you needing a shower? Are you needing some fresh clothes that we can provide for you?
In hopes of answering a need. And speaking of need, Must Ministry says it's looking for some immediate help for their needs. They said they're looking for people to donate towels, winter clothing, and also underwear. Reporting live in Cobb County, Molly Oak, 11 Alive News.
Okay, Molly, thank you so much. And as temperatures take a dip, our weather impact team is keeping you in the know over on 11 Alive Plus. You can join our chief meteorologist, Chris Holcomb, for a weather update that's going to start tonight at 9 o'clock. You can find that and so much more on 11 Alive Plus. It's free to download on your TV for Roku, Amazon Fire, and Apple TV.